Habang nabiyahe sa Tagaytay, napansin namin itong 727 American Diner. Pagkakita pa lang ng anak ko, sabi niya, "Ma, let's eat there!" So, game! From outside pa lang, eye-catching naman na kasi. Pero pagpasok mo sa loob, boom! Full-on retro! Ang daming vintage decor sa walls, parang nasa old school American movie ka. May pinball machine pa na 10 pesos lang per play. Tinanong namin ng crew if nagana, oo daw. Pero nung trinay namin, yung right side ayaw naman gumalaw. Still fun though. Pag upo nyo sa table, meron agad nakahandang complimentary popcorn. We tried their all-day meal madness for 599 pesos. Cheesy quesadilla for the appetizer, burger steak for the main dish, since unavailable yung fish fillet, and instead of iced tea na hindi rin available, we went with iced coffee. Plus, may free ice cream pa. Not bad! We also ordered buffalo mac and cheese and a root beer float because why not? Heads up lang, may 10% service charge. Medyo konti yung diners when we visited, probably because it's on the pricey side. Food is okay, nothing crazy, but the experience and vibes, that's the highlight. If sawa ka na sa usual bulalo stop in Tagaytay and gusto mo ng something different, this one's worth a try. Yun lang. Thanks for watching. Bye!